Studios. Today we're going to learn how to do 40-inch twist. And I want you to bear with me today because I just got over being sick and right now I have a little bit of laryngitis. So please just bear with me. So today we are going to learn how to install 40-inch twist. Now I'm going to tell you what the secret is. The secret is you're going to need 2 pieces of hair because they don't sell 40-inch hair. Braiding hair to be exact. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to add 2 pieces together in order to achieve that 40-inch hairstyle. So I want you to keep in mind, the closer that my twists are to my edges, the smaller the twists are because the weight that you have towards your edges is the most sensitive. And that's why you see some women who struggle with hair loss around the edges. It's because you don't want, for example, a twist this big to be right on your edges. And that's how you have a lot of hair loss. So I've already taken out a piece of my hair. I just have to find it. While I'm finding the piece of hair, after I show you how to install this one piece of hair, or twist I should say, I want you to stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to do this process from start to finish. So this is a piece of my hair, and I've already added my conditioner to it. This is the conditioner that I use. I usually stick with Garnea, anything that kind of has a fruit base to it. This is how I retain my length because this is a protective hairstyle, and the point of a protective hairstyle is to retain length. So if I've already added my conditioner to the piece of hair, and the further back you are, the bigger my twists are, but you also want to have a decent amount of hair to support that weight. Lord have mercy, I lost hair. Here we go. Okay, so this is the piece of hair I use. I twist it. I take this amount of hair, because we're making jumbo twist. I place that over my hair, like so. So it's placed over my hair. Just to make sure it's tight, I pull my hair to the left, the braiding hair to the right, and I begin to just braid. Because what you want to do is you want to lock that hair in really tight. So I start braiding. Now the secret that I use so that you don't see my hair aside from the braiding hair is I actually will take one side and I'll split it in half. I'll place my hair over top of one of the pieces of hair like this, like so, and then I begin to braid again. And then I'll keep braiding until I get to just about the length of my hair. You don't have to, but that's what I do in order to really hide my hair well. I get to about this point and I start braiding. So now in these 3 pieces, you're going to make this into 1 so that you have 2 pieces. And then you want to turn it down, twist. Turn it down, twist. Or you can just go like this. That's usually what I do to achieve it a little bit faster. And then once you get to the bottom, you can either just twist with the one side like that. And just keep twisting all the way until the very end. Once I get to the very end, then this is where you're going to add your second piece of extension. So I get to about right here. And the secret is you're going to take this loop, your next piece of extension. You also want it a little bit thicker than the top because towards the end the hair gets thinner. So after you get to the end, you're going to take your piece of hair, you're going to loop it over one side. After you loop it over one side, you're going to braid. So now you have 3 pieces just like you would at the beginning of your base of your hair. And you're going to start braiding. Again, that's to lock in the hair. So you're braiding. And then I braid about maybe 3 times. about this much from here to here. And then again, so that your hair is consistent, I take 2 pieces and I take the shorter strand and put that on the other side. And then I start to twist. See how your hair is consistent, and consistency with the thickness, that's what you want, so that it looks like you only had 1 piece of hair, but you actually didn't. Make sure you're twisting really, 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 really tight. And then once you get to the end, you can either create a slip knot like this, dip it in hot water, or you can add a rubber band like I did at the very end. So stay tuned. Watch this process from beginning to end. As always, love y'all. Stay tuned.